Hello and welcome to Doordarshan News. I am Mayank Agrawal. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has concluded his 5-day visit to Washington and New York. He held meeting with President Barack Obama. After this, in New York, he addressed the UN General Assembly, and thereafter he had a meeting with Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif of Pakistan, which was much talked about in media. We have with us External Affairs Minister Mr. Salman Khurshid. Sir, welcome to Doordarshan News. Sir, what do you think are the major successes, if any, from this visit?
Well, I think the meeting with President Obama was a very good meeting. We have a sense amongst business communities on both sides in the US and India that there are some very critical issues that we need to handle. H-1B visa issues under the new immigration bill. As far as we are concerned, and as far as the American industry is concerned, issues about intellectual property, licensing of compulsory licensing of pharmaceutical products, patents. These are issues that somehow have clouded the very upbeat relationship that we've had in economics, and they have to be addressed. So we have to touch base on these issues. It's important at the highest level we give an indication to both sides that something needs to be done. Also, it was important to keep the momentum on the commercial side of the civil nuclear agreement, which is what we have been able to do. The signing of the early works agreement between NPCIL and Westinghouse here in the US, taking stock of that. And then lifting our defense cooperation to a higher level of joint production and joint research, something that we hadn't done in the past. So we are actually making a gradual breakthrough in the area of transfer of technology and sharing of technology between the US and ourselves. So I think it was a good housekeeping visit, a stock-taking visit, and looking at areas in which we enhance the content and level of our strategic partnership. That's as far as the US goes. As far as the UN is concerned, PM has given us a clear indication that we need to target 2015 to take the issue of reform of the Security Council to a point where it becomes significant in the debate and discourse that is taking place. India's profile and presence in the UN obviously is very important, and the presence of our Prime Minister is an important flag that we show to the world of our total involvement, participation and contribution to the world body. And then, of course, on the sidelines, the opportunity to meet with Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, which I have described to other media people as an opportunity to do climate control. I think there was good climate control work done by both Prime Ministers. Get the right temperature to allow and nurture a relationship, and to discourage growth of any toxic bacteria, something that we were getting worried about because of very unpleasant happenings of recent times. But I think one has to get beyond whatever has happened and ensure that we have a better relationship in the future. And that was only possible, frankly, at the highest level. If the direction comes from the highest level, the Prime Ministerial level, then others hopefully will be able to work in that direction with greater application and determination.